Forex Maverick. This is Forex Maverick. So I've been practicing on making sure that I master my entries, because I realized most of the time that when I blow an account, it's because I didn't look at where am I entering my trades. Most of the time I enter them at the top or at a resistance zone, maybe trying to buy it, but on that resistance zone I'm unaware that it's a resistance for a sell, not a support. So I've been practicing so much to try and buy it at the bottom and sell it at the top. But it's not that simple, obviously. There's a lot of things that you need to look for before you just buy it at the bottom and sell it at the top. So yesterday I saw this opportunity here. I tried to take a sell on this. Let me just put it on 1 hour. Yes. So it was right. Okay, cool. Right here. But yeah, on 1 hour. Right here. So I tried to sell it right here. Right here around this area. So I sold it and then it pulled up. I held it because I knew that if it pulls up, the next zone that I'm expecting it to hit before it comes back down was this zone right here. You see, this is a high, so it was gonna come back at this high. Anyway, there's an analysis that I did on the PC. It shows it clearly. So I waited and it came back down, but while it was still on top here, I took sells on my demo account just so I can be able to hold that demo account and see how far it goes without any emotions involved. But I closed this small real account around this area when it came around that area. So this is my real account. It's a small account, very small. I made a deposit of $10 the day before yesterday. Today it's sitting here. So this is the profit that I closed today. I took this trade yesterday and I closed it today. If I held it further until now, I probably would have closed something around because it's like double these candles. I probably could have closed something like $100. Yeah, $100. Probably more or less, but somewhere ranging that area. So yeah, that's that. I'm just gonna show you the demo account and then you'll see the skill that I was trying to bring out of me, the patience and the emotion that I was trying to suppress, so that next time when I see an opportunity like this, I know that I can hold it until it gives me maximum profit. Okay, so I'll just switch now. Right, so this is my demo account. It's a demo account, guys. I wish it was a real account, but it's a demo account. So yesterday also I took trades on this demo account, which was NZD-USD. I was buying it. As you can see, I bought it round about this area and then round about this area, but it also pushed down a little bit, but I held it anyway. I knew it was gonna pull up. So this is what I was talking about. You see that zone right there? There's 3 touches to it where I sold on the demo account. I saw that it has rejections. This zone was very strong. So it's 1, 2, 3 touches. 1, 2, 3 touches there. So I sold on this demo account right on the neck. I caught it right on the neck and I sold it. Look at how beautiful it fell. When it got to my positions that were on the real account, which were just right on top of these ones that I added here. I added more and left it to run. And look at this, guys. See, as much as this is a demo account, but this skill is amazing. The lessons that I got from this, they are amazing. So pushing forward, the aim is to make sure that I do this on a real account. You understand? I also closed a few trades on this. As you can see, 200. I took some sell trades on EURGBP, but I knew it wasn't gonna push that much, so I closed them and I left these ones running. I'm gonna close these ones on Monday. There's something that I wanna see, but I'm almost at the bottom, or I've almost reached my target on this one, on EURGBP, which is my target is right here. So this was my target on my analysis, but I think I'm gonna close it Monday. I'm just gonna let it run. Anyway, it's a demo account just for practice, but I killed it. And I'm gonna let these ones run too. These ones I'm probably gonna let them run for a very long time, because my target is around this point right here. That's the target. So what I'm gonna do is on Monday, when it pulls back, I know there's gonna be a pullback somewhere around this area, somewhere around here, which is around 0.74, 0.70403, somewhere there. It's gonna probably correct a bit. When it starts buying again, I'm gonna add more positions. So this is just me trying to understand how the market moves. Remember, the market goes up and down, but it only goes strongly on one direction. It might be going down, but it's gonna pull back at some point, going up, but only to go further down. When it's going up, it might pull back a bit, going down, but it's still gonna go further up. So every time it pulls back, you panic. You're thinking, now it's. That's why it's very important for you to analyze your trade and have a target that when it reaches this target, I'm gonna close. If it hasn't reached that target, master controlling your emotions and stay on the trade. Don't jump out. I also still need to be able to deal with that, but that requires you to be very, 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 very. I'm gonna emphasize again. It requires you to be very, very, very confident with your skill, with your trades. To hold them for a very long time, it needs you to be very confident and trust your skill. Then you can be able to hold. So yeah, this is the Forex Maverick, guys. I'm still hung up on my previous name, but anyway, this is Forex Maverick, and peace out.